Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, it's Thursday, it's Thursday, it's Thursday. So what's really happening on the economic news, guys? The market has been actually going up and down, which means we saw some ranging moves for like Nasdaq US30, except gold. But yeah, there was some serious consolidations because we had some crazy week where we just have like medium impact news. They were not really aggressive, but this economic news, they just make the market to get confused sometimes. But anyways, it seems like things are still positive. We still see the market on a bullish momentum. What do we have today? I see GDP month over month from Canada, and I see core PCE price index month over month from US, and unemployment claims or jobless claims from the US. 3:30, I think we're gonna go live on Trader Nick channel. By the way. Yeah, so let's relax and see what's really happening on the market. So Friday we're going to have unemployment change from Canada, PMIs. Powell is going to speak. Obviously, interest rates looks good. I think maybe next year they're gonna cut the rates, but let's hope that we're not going to have recession. So make some research, because yesterday I saw treasury yields, they were going down, so which means that they predict that the interest rate is going to go down, or let's say there is a slowdown in the economy. So that is not really good. It's good when they cut the rates, but for the economy sometimes things start to get slower because NFP went lower, retail sales went lower, CPI, everything's just going down. So which means businesses are they are not going to make enough cash. That is going to cause the thing called a recession. But anyways, it's not like it has to happen, but I don't think maybe it will happen. We'll see what will happen maybe. So you just do some research. They sometimes confuse these times of finance. Anyways, let's go straight to our. Let's go on this. Let's go on this because it's the last day. It's the last day of this special where you can just give yourself some discount. So which means from tomorrow, these prices now they're going to stick like that. You're not going to have any discount. You can see 6 months, it's 150, but you can just discount yourself. 12 months 250, discount yourself 350, and also mentorship. Scan the QR code if you want to be part of the team. Simple as that. Simple as that. So from tomorrow, the prices are going to stay like that. No more discounts and stuff like that, because there is enough stuff that we do. We work hard. You can see that every day I'm here just to make sure that you get some updates. And another thing, guys, it's not like it's a magic to make it in the market. Yes, we have to do the strategy. You have to learn trading psychology, all those things. But another thing which is quite straightforward and simple, just keep showing up every day. Just keep doing your analysis every day. Just go on the market, even if you don't really have anything in your account. Don't just go on the market only when you recharge your account. No, even if there's nothing, even if you are on a demo account, firstly do the analysis every day and see. And just maybe for 3 months, 6 months, you will see what's really happening. I've been doing this for quite some time, and I'm still here sending you the daily analysis. And at the same time, this is just my update. I'm just updating myself every day, you see. So you can do the same thing, even if you don't really send that on YouTube, but you can just do that for yourself, you see. It's easier to track your progress. Maybe for a week, just do those, just maybe even if it's one pair, just do only maybe, for example, DXY every day and record those videos, maybe 5 minutes. And next week, when you go back and look back to those videos, you will see, right, you see here, I wasn't doing this right. You will start to see the progress, because you will be tracking your movement, you will be tracking your progress. Actually, you'll be tracking whatever that you did last week, comparing to the next week, comparing to next month. You will see the progress, but you won't see that if you don't really do it. That's why people, they have to have trading plans. It's easy to say, no, I know, I will just do it 1, 2, 3. but you have to record it sometimes. I sometimes go back because I have like more than 1,000 videos here on YouTube. Sometimes I go back last year and go, or last of last year, and just watch those videos. I see that here I was like flopping. This was not right. This was right. So you can see, you can also learn from yourself. But if you are dedicated, if you are disciplined, simple as that. So without preaching too much, let's go straight to the charts. What's really happening? We are on US dollar index. So the market was pushing up very nice, which is simple. Everyone saw that. We were talking about this uptrend for quite some time. We now see a breakout. Guess what? Now the dollar is bleeding, which is good, because other pairs now they are breathing. So what's really happening here is, yes, even though we don't really have a proper we don't really have a proper resistance, but we can see that the market is going down, and that is something that we want, right? Yes, the market is going down, which means the dollar is losing that momentum, it's losing that strength. So simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is GBP/JPY. I like this structure. It seems like this uptrend is now giving us some solid structure. Before it was just pushing up and down, but what I know is there is a chance that the market can break that, because this is still early stages of this uptrend. So there is a chance that the market can break that and come back and respect this area. You can see the market respected this point there, and also this. So just because this is still a very young structure, or young trend, or still not really matured, there is a chance for the market to break that. And once we see that breakout, don't panic and say, oh, it's breaking the support. No, it is still very early to have this support. I just drawn that because I just connected 1, 2. You might find out maybe the market wants to connect this area and that. So we are not taking any decision for that, right? We will take decisions if the market breaks this area, then we can say we can buy above that. But if we see a proper reversal, you can see also the market created something there. Yeah, there might be a nice reason to say maybe that will be our next support area. Then we can start to continue with that. But for now, I just use this so that you can understand that since we broke out of that downtrend, now we are pushing to the upside, and we will start to look for an uptrend. Simple as that. We don't really have to confuse ourselves. No too many lines, no head and shoulder, no. We just follow the trends. The market will create all these structures. Or at the end of the day, if you just follow every structure, you will end up drawing some stuff. Some people, they will even draw a house, something like this. You can see, hey, this is a double-story house. So all these things, you end up seeing things just because you just force yourself to see some structures. So we don't really have to force that. We just follow the trend. Is it uptrending? Yes, we follow the market, we buy. We don't really have to confuse ourselves with that. So we are on GBP/USD. We see the market was going down very nice on a downtrend. We explained this several times. So what's happening now is the market is still pushing up. You can see we don't really have a proper reversals except this retest here. So what we have here, for those who don't know, the market won't keep up with a trend like this. So don't waste your time drawing stuff like this. The market won't keep up with that trend. You can see that one won't last. So don't even try to draw that, because the market is going to break that, and you will think maybe it's a breakout, and you start to look for a sell, then the market start to move you. You see? So just use common sense. You can see that the market won't be giving us this type of a move. So which means we still early in this trend. We're gonna get the structure maybe next week, maybe next week, we don't know. But what I know is we are still on an uptrend. So the trend should be something like this. You see this trend, you can see how the trend was moving, but this one is a downtrend. You can see how the trend was doing its thing. You see, so that it's a proper trend. So this one of just going straight like this, it's very steep. You can see that the market won't sustain that momentum for long. So we will have some reversals going up, but at the end of the day, we are still on that uptrend. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain to you. Yes, we are still on that uptrend. We reached that resistance, so we might expect some reversals. Maybe yesterday I showed you something like this blocks, where I said there is a chance for the market to respect that, and indeed the market respected that. You see that? the market respected this area. If I duplicate this, you can see that it's the same average moves from this area. Sorry, you see this, it's just the same sizes, and the market already created a resistance there. So which means, yeah, the knowledge is working there. I don't know if it's a knowledge or experience, something like that. So you can see that, yes, this is a resistance. There is a chance, just because the market is actually on a very nice bullish momentum, the market can still break that. Then we can look for a buy. But I'm expecting a nice reversal nyana. Then we can then push to the upside. But anyways, we are still on bullish momentum. We will see what we will do. If you are in the team, don't worry. If you are in the group, don't worry. We are still going to send those signals in the team. So what's really happening on EURUSD? EURUSD is also on this nice uptrend. We are coming from that stronger downtrend. You can see that I already deleted that. Now the market is giving us this uptrend. So what's really happening here is, yes, the market is aggressively pushing to the upside, which means we are on a bullish momentum. The momentum, it's going up, but we had a buy, I think, there, but the market did not really push nice. So I'm still expecting the market to push even higher, but it seems like since we had this aggressive push, the market is struggling to push even higher. Maybe we're gonna have a sort of a reversal, maybe before we push the upside. You can see that all these pairs, they don't really have a proper support structures, because they all go with the dollar, and dollar, if it's losing momentum, most structures, they're just going to be quite the same. They are correlating, for those who don't know. So I'm just waiting for a proper structure, but mostly a nice reversal before we see a nice push. But for now, we'll just see what's really happening. We'll just monitor that. For you, for everyone who is in the team, don't worry, I'll be updating you. Very nice. So if you are not in the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me, and be part of the team. So yeah, we are still on that uptrend. I'm still expecting the market to push the upside, but I need to relax on that. We don't really have to just jump on the market. I hope my people did smash gold a few days ago when we sent this bullish momentum. Yeah, maybe I will show you that in the group. I will show you that that signal that we sent, but I don't know if we did catch this one. I will show you that in the group actually. But you can see that since the market broke out of this structure, we started seeing the market giving us some structures that we were looking for. This sort of consolidation, we know that we're supposed to buy. Where we are now, we can say we don't really have much, but on top there, we're going to use that as a resistance. We don't know if the market will reverse up to this point. We will wait for the market. We don't just go in front of the market. The market has to show us that. So for now, we're just waiting. I can say, let's just throw maybe a sort of a resistance. We will see if maybe the market is going to reverse or not. If it is going to reverse, it's fine. If not, it's also fine. We will see what we can do above that area. It means that it's going to be a continuation of that buy. If the dollar is moving south, gold most likely is going to be positive. But sometimes correlation might differ. Sometimes things are different these days. Things are different, but we are still on a bullish momentum. Unfortunately, we don't really have a proper support, but we're going to have that. So this week, it's like that week where the market was just reversing, breaking the support or breaking the resistance. All the markets were just breaking something. So we don't really have a proper structures that we can say, oh, it's a support, because all of these pairs, they all go with the dollar, you see. So that shows how the dollar is actually dominating in this stocks market or trading or Forex, whatever. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We had a trade yesterday there. I just removed that thing. So, but I'll have to show you the signals that we signed a few days ago. So since it was no longer going down, we see that the market is pushing to the upside. But the structure, guys, the structure, it's not making sure, man. We don't really have some proper bullish, some proper reversals. Yes, we can buy here and there, but it will be quite risky unless if maybe you're gonna place your stop loss here. Then you can say, okay, I can buy. I don't really mind to see maybe some reversals and stuff like that. If it's like that, it's fine because we are still on a bullish momentum. But with this type of a structure, there is a chance that the market can still go lower like that and still continue to the upside. That is possible. But we have an order here. I don't know if maybe, but I don't think it touched our stop loss because I did not take US30. So the market pushed up. I think it was there was GDP yesterday, preliminary GDP. So it pushed the market sideways yesterday later on. So I hope people saw that move. Let me show you that. I think we saw that. I think it was here around 3:30. You can see it was positive. So it means the market tried to push a little bit lower. The market tried to push a little bit lower. Oh, there is this guy, I think, passed away, Charlie Manga, but he was already old. RIP. So yeah, on US30 we can see that the market is still bullish, but the structure here doesn't give us the reversal. And if that reversal happened there on top there, it's gonna be brutal because it might even push up to this point. But that doesn't really mean that the market is downtrending. That might mean maybe a nice reversal before we see another push. But let's be safe. Let's be safe, as we already I also sent the signals there. So that's why I'm just saying that let's be safe. So Nasdaq, quite similar structure. We can easily see that the market was going down, quite similar to US30, quite similar. So it was pushing down, very nice, very nice. On Nasdaq, I don't really have much of complaints, but the complaints coming from this sort of rejections. Just look at this rejection. We were in a very nice profit, by the way. So let's just go on 1 hour. Maybe you will see that. We were in a very, 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 very nice pro. So I think we had a trade there. I will show you how we send the signals in the team or in the group. So you can see our profit was already a bit higher, but I think around that GDP economic news, the market started to reverse. But still, even if I remove that, we are still on a bullish momentum. I like the structures here better than the ones that we saw on US30. We have the support resistance, even though we don't really have a proper support like this, but it's fine. At least we can see where the market is going. I'm still bullish on Nasdaq as we are still on a new trend. I don't think maybe there's much we can do. So let me just show you the signals that we send in the team. The signals that we send. So don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends, guys. Like, share with your friends. So let's see. I'm just trying to hide the names. So, okay, you can see that in the team we are 167 in this group. You can see we had a buy on EURUSD, Euro GBP, we had a sell. Nasdaq, we had a buy. Oh, I did not send the structure. I wanted to show you that buy on gold. Oh, we also had a buy, I think it's a few days ago, on EURUSD. I think it did push the upside, but I want the one on gold. USOIL, where is that? 28 November. USD Canada, we smashed this USD CAD. We can go check that. Where is that gold? Oh, I did not send the structure. But you can see we had a buy at 2014.732. So let's check that 2014 what? 2014 what? 732. 2014 732. 2014. Oh yeah. Oh, we had a buy around this area. I don't know if my people did catch that, but obviously I sent that. We had a buy here around this area. If they did catch this one, yeah, they did enjoy very nice. I'm not making this thing up. You can see that we have that signal. 20 entry, it was 2014 732. The stop loss was 29. Let me just try to do that. Let me just try to place that again. 2014 732 2014 2014 somewhere there. Somewhere there. The stop loss was 2019 209, somewhere there. Let's see where's the take profit. Take profit was 20 27 to 2027. Yeah, somewhere there. So yeah, oh, it means this wasn't there. So you can see that we did something there on gold. So but the thing is, we did not know that it's gonna move like that, but it was better than nothing. I hope my people did smash that, because I was worried that maybe I did not really send that signal. So that's why we say you should be part of the team, and by doing that you still can give yourself some discount on any of these services. You can just say, Kenzo, I have this much, I can't afford that, I have this much. But this special ends today. Anyways, thank you very much. I did not really want to make this video very long, so thank you very much. I'll see you later on. Bye.